Today guys, I'm gonna see my bullies my bullies my bullies video. My bullies channel. So we're gonna see. Why is ganda ba? If you type CK Chamzon, that's his channel. That's his channel looks like. Hey, yo, look at him. Let's check out him. Look at this profile picture. Bro is happy because he thinks he's better than me. December 8, 2023. Well, let's check what he's doing. What? 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 Bro, your sound is so like this small. You have to be bigger sound, bro. What are you doing, bro? That's annoying me, bro. Why you're hitting me? Because when he was talking to me, he will never hug me again. This YouTuber is hating me, bro. This is my hater, bro. This is my hater, bro. That's Ohio Pokemon cards, bro. Where did you get it? Pokemon Pikachu has no jacket. Why are you saying that?
All these are gold.
Because he hates me now.
Whoa, got Charizard.
Charizard,
Like this
bro.
is like more.
No, Charizard has a big tail. Bro. Why is it super fast?
What?
What are you doing? How did you get to Charizard, bro? Charizard's tummy is so big, like mommy who's birth
Yeah, but none
from a baby.
only have like
Bro, how Pikachu is so cute. That's so
this
cute,
one is more
Pikachu.
HP.
But why Pikachu is a baby? Pikachu is a baby. Pikachu has grown up. Bro, where did you get that from? Bro, have you still how did you steal that for $100 on your mother's credit card, bro? Can you serious? Are you serious right now, bro? Bro, why Charizard is black? Bro. You have to make him orange, bro.
I didn't know.
Bro, Pikachu is not a devil, bro. Why Pikachu is a green? He is yellow. My. What did you say, my? Bro,
Does this get into it? I don't know. Wait, who's it? Charizard.
blue Charizard.
Wow.
Blue Charizard is blue. Oh yeah, I have that one. Did you steal that from from your dad's credit card and all of that Pokemon card?
Well, we have like a lot of Charizards here.
Let's check today another one, guys. Yo, you have a lot of Hey, yo. Oh yeah, you can get that. Oh my god. Did you steal it for your mom's credit card? Oh. Suitable is getting all of his Pokemon card. Bro, oh my gosh. Bro, how did you get that? It Ryan's World! I'm watching Ryan's World, bro. Let's watch this December 13th, 2022. What he's doing? He's copying. He's copying another video, bro. I know that. Chica, what are you doing to that? Yeah, it's copying. Okay, then draw body. Okay, skip. So yeah, that's beautiful. But I like it. 10 out of 10. The comments are looking like this. Alicia Craft said, pretty good drawing, but I think you should start tracing and then maybe it would be better, or you start drawings before you put the boxes so you have more space for your drawing. My drawing is bad, but yours is cool. Oh my god. Bro, has 0 comments, bro. Let's check to another, bro. Bro, it's beautiful. Bro, it's beautiful. Bro, are they look like that? Bro, she's just staring at someone, bro. And Toast said, nice drawing. Hope you will get more better at drawing. Those are some really good drawings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, B. Victoria, what did you say? No, Victoria said the fun enough, they get reverse. They get revenge. Bro, are you copying some videos or something? Oh my god. That's my hater, bro. Has 2022. The drawing way in the more Freddy is like bro. Freddy gave him the light skincare and